TLT-OTC. Configure fuel cell source switches.
It's in work.
And flight, you can proceed with transmission of stored program commands.
Wilco.
Coming up on T-minus 8 minutes, the orbiter test conductor has requested that Houston flight controllers send stored program commands, which are the final update on antenna management, to the orbiter. This update ensures that the orbiter has the latest information to communicate with the different tracking stations during the mission. Pilot Hendricks is now flipping switches in the orbiter's crew cabin to directly connect the 3 fuel cells to the essential power buses. T-minus 7 minutes, 32 seconds. The orbiter crew access arm will be retracted away from the vehicle to the launch configuration. This arm can be re-extended in just a few seconds if necessary. This arm is located at the 195-foot level of the launch pad. T-minus 7 minutes and counting. And that orbiter access arm is being moved away from the orbiter's crew cabin area. At the T-minus 5 minute mark, the orbiter's auxiliary power units will be started. This is a view from the camera inside the white room. This is on the orbiter access arm, which is being slowly moved away from the vehicle.
JRPS OTC, start APU and hydraulic strip chart recorders. Verified. TLT OTC, perform APU pre-start.
APU pre-starts in work.
T-minus 6 minutes and counting. Pilot Hendricks has been given a go to perform pre-start on the auxiliary power units. Hendricks will configure switches in the cockpit with the...
We've got great talk backs on 1 and 2, and as expected, I'm sorry, 1 and 3 as expected. Number 2 is barber pole.
APU OTC. Go ahead. Did you copy that?
Yeah, I copy.
Hendricks reporting that APU pre-start is complete. Activation is coming up here at the T-minus 5 minute mark.
APU OTC.
Go ahead.
Just want to verify your go.
We're go.
T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
Start.
TLT OTC, perform APU start.
Cranking APUs.
Flight recorders have been started. These recorders will collect measurements of the shuttle system's performance during flight for playback after the vehicle is in orbit.
Flash of up, feed line heaters are off.
Copy.
Commander Gregory reported the orbiter heaters are configured for launch. We've got just a little over 4 minutes of hold time capability for liquid oxygen if that would become necessary.
Okay, let's go for purge sequence 4.
We have a final purge sequence underway of the 3 main engines. The valves on the engines are being prepared for engine start. At the 1 minute point in the count, an engine ready indication will be given. A profile test of the orbiter's aero surfaces has started. The orbiter flight control surfaces are being moved through a pre-programmed pattern to verify they are ready for launch. T-minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds, and counting. The orbiter's 3 main engines are being gimbaled and positioned for launch. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. Flight controllers in Houston are standing by to assume control of Atlantis flight after liftoff. We have a go for liquid oxygen tank pressurization. T-minus 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
TLT, OTC, clear caution warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
Clear and false.
T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds. The orbiter test conductors requested that pilot Hendricks clear the caution and warning memory system. Retraction of the gaseous oxygen vent hood is now underway. Liquid oxygen tank is now at flight pressure. T-minus 2 minutes and counting. Tonight's launch will mark the 7th night launch in the history of the shuttle program and the 10th flight of the orbiter Atlantis.
And enjoy your Thanksgiving.
Okay, let's go for EPLH2 pressurization.
Atlantis is ready.
Less than 2 minutes away now. Liquid hydrogen replenishment is being terminated and the liquid hydrogen tank is being pressurized for flight. T-minus 1 minute, 20 seconds. We've got an engine ready indication. Tonight's launch is the 6th and last flight this year. It's the 44th launch for the shuttle program.
Check your mic. Somebody has an open mic. One minute.
T-minus 1 minute and counting. In just a few seconds, thousands of gallons of water will be released on the launch platform. That will help suppress the sound energy and the shock of the 7 million pounds of thrust produced at launch. T-minus 40 seconds and counting. T-minus 31 seconds. We have a go for auto sequence start. Atlantis' 4 redundant computers have primary control of critical functions.
20. 15.
T-minus 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. We have a go for engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff of Atlantis and the 6-man crew on a Department of Defense flight.
Roger roll, Atlantis.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis is completely rolling over to the proper position where it's climbed to a 28.5 degree inclination orbit. Three main engines now throttling back to 70% as Atlantis prepares to pass through the area of maximum aerodynamic pressure. Atlantis speed is now 1,000 miles an hour, altitude 34,000 feet, downrange from Kennedy Space Center 4 nautical miles.
Atlantis, Houston, go at throttle up. Roger, go at throttle up.
Three engines now back operating at 104% of rated capacity. Good hydraulic systems, good electrical systems.
Atlantis, Houston, com check, UHF only.
Loud clear, John.
You're loud and clear also.
Altitude now 127,000 feet. Atlantis speed 2,725 miles an hour. Downrange from Kennedy Space Center 25 nautical miles.
Good SRB, sub.
Roger.
Good Nikos.
Three engines continuing to operate well at 104% of rated capacity. Good hydraulic systems, good electrical systems. Altitude now 198,000 feet. Velocity 3,068 miles an hour.
Two-engine Banjul.
Two-engine Banjul.
Roger, and performance nominal.
Nominal.
Those calls indicate Atlantis' performance so far has been as planned, and that Atlantis could now perform a transatlantic landing at Banjul, the Gambia, on only two engines if one were to fail. However, all three engines continuing to operate well at 104%.